What's up, guys? It is March 24th, 2019. It is 7:34 p.m. This is PYT number 2 for 2019 Topps Inception. Case break number 2. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the word pad right there so you guys can see. And I want to thank Ticket Reese, and so you guys are there on the yellow, and Heritage, or sorry, myself. All right, so that's everyone. Gonna go ahead and shut that off. And good luck, guys. Thanks for joining me tonight. Hey, Colin. Yeah, man, let's go. Let's get some good hits. The first case we just pulled an Asuna Junior auto out to 125, but that was like it. So hopefully this time we get some big hits, some lower number ones too. Good luck, guys. How come that box turned around? No, that's interesting. That one was upside down. Kevin Newman for the Pittsburgh. All right, my camera's working today. That's nice. Bryce Wilson, Santana, Albies, JK, base. Yeah, well, okay. All right, for the Pittsburgh Pirates, first hit, Kevin Newman. 198 out of 200 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Rookie card. I'll do a hit recap at the end here too. Should we save it for last? That box right there? If it's a 1-on-1, do I have anything here to give away? Miguel Andujar, Luis Severino, Bay Senegar, Rizzo, Burns, and Nola. Yeah, the Twins sold. Second hit goes out to the Padres. Jacob Nix, 115 out of 199. Jacob Nix and the Padres. Ooh, we get a redemption. Good luck, everyone. Ray Black, Michaniger, DeGrom, Wilson, Shaw. Good luck, you guys. We get a redemption here. Altuve. Oops. Hopefully you guys didn't see that one. Receive. Inception. Silver signing gold. Nice. Parallel of Ahmed Rosario and the New York Mets. Congrats, Mets. I thought it was going to be somebody big too. Acuna out of 50. 20 out of 50 base or parallel. Chris Shaw. Another base Osuna. Kramer, Judge, and Jeff McNeil. And our hit goes out to the Toronto Blue Jays, Rowdy Tellez. 22 out of 50. Rowdy Tellez, Toronto Blue Jays. First baseman. Rookies and emerging stars. Charlie Blackmon. Justin Sheffield. Nice. Charlie Blackmon, Sheffield, and Ramon. Gypsy Queen, 18. Oh, yeah, that's right. And our hit goes out to Lourdes Gurriel Jr. and the Toronto Blue Jays. 2-color patch. 41 out of 199 for the Blue Jays. It's back-to-back hits. 19 Gypsy Queen comes out next week. The 101 is in here. Yeah, I think I fixed my stream, so that's nice. No more drop frames. So that's good. All right. Chris Davis. Jacob deGrom. Bregman. Soto. Urias and Chris Sale. And our hit goes out to Tommy Pham. 15 out of 75 for the Tampa Bay Rays. Tommy Pham. Yep, halfway through. Michael Kopech for the White Sox. Clayton Kershaw out of 99. Jonathan, Joey, Paul, and Nicholas. And our hit goes out to the New York Yankees, Chance Adams. 69 out of 75, Chance Adams. There, congrats, Yankees. Box 8. That guy, wasn't he a Baltimore prospect? Or was that guy always a Yankee? Corey Seager. Nick Birdie out of 150. Gleyber Torres, George Springer, Severino, and Nick Birdie. And our hit goes out to Chris Shaw and San Francisco Giants. 55 out of 75. There you go. Who is he? He's an outfielder. So that's good. Nice little outfielder for the Giants there. Rookie card too, so means that he might be on the opening. He might be on the roster, so that's good. Giants were very, very quiet in the off season, so I wonder what they're up to. Jacob Nix. Doel Lugo for the Tigers out of 75. Sean Reed Foley, Brandon Lowe, Ryan O'Hearn. And our hit goes out to another Blue Jay, Ryan Barucki out of 200. Blue Jays is having themselves a break. Wow, that's already three hits. Let's spread the love a little bit. Let's spread the love a little bit. Alright, Joey Votto. Heath Fillmore out of 75. Rice Hoskins base. Lindor, Garrett Cole, and Clayton Kershaw base. And our hit goes out to Tyler Mahle out of 25. 5 out of 25 for the Cincinnati Reds. Alright, that's pretty sweet. Low number card right there for the Cincinnati Reds. Adolis Garcia, Mike Trout, Josh Hader, Jalen Beeks, Erasmus Garcia, Mookie Betts. And our hit goes out to the Kansas City Royals, Brad Keller. Jumbo patch, 3-color patch auto. 98 out of 125. Brad Keller. All right. We're 3/4 of the way there. Good luck. So far, not a lot of big names yet. So, Paul Goldsmith, Ronald Acuna Jr. out of 150. All right, nice. We got the 150 and the 50. Mitch Haniger, Pablo Lopez, Adam Kimber, Edwin Diaz. And our hit goes out. There you go. You got him. Dennis Santana. Los Angeles Dodgers. 40 out of 99. There you go, Joe. You asked for it. You got it. Hey, thank you, man. All right, Dave. Yeah, let's get some more love for you guys. All right, Nicholas. Jake Cave for the Minnesota Twins out of 50. Cole Stewart, Edwin Encarnacion. And our hit goes out to the Texas Rangers. Isaiah Kenner Falifa. Out of 273 out of 200 for the Texas Rangers. Box 14. We get a Bryce Harper for the Nats. Corbin Burns out of 25 for the Milwaukee Brewers. Garcia, Mike Trout, Corey Seager, Chris Davis, base. And we go out to the Pittsburgh Pirates out of 99, 98 out of 99, Kevin Kramer. I think that's 2 hits for the Pirates. Nice, Clinton. You know, the Rangers do pretty well at this. Well, the two cases I've opened, the Rangers and the Giants has been in them, so. All right. George Springer out of 150. Ramon. Bryce Harper. Ray Black. Andrew Hart, and Jacob Nix. And our hit goes out to Miles Mikolas. St. Louis Cardinals, 79 out of 200. The Cardinals are on the board. All right, last box, guys. Good luck. Hasn't been a lot of big names in this one, so good luck to everyone. All right, Javier Baez, Jonathan Losiga, Correa, Josh Roberts, Kyle Wright, and our last hit is a silver ink signing for the Atlanta Braves, Kobe Allard, 27 out of 99 for the Atlanta Braves. And that does it. Not too many big names in this one. All right, so I'm gonna just do a recap here. We get Kobe Allard, silver signature signing. Miles Mikolas, 200. Kevin Kramer out of 99. Yeah, not today, man. Sorry. Isaiah for the Rangers. Santana for the Dodgers. Brad Keller for the Kansas City Royals. Jumbo patch. Tyler Mahle out of 25 for the Cincinnati Reds. Ryan Borucki for the Toronto Blue Jays out of 200. Chris Shaw for the Giants out of 75. Chance Adams out of 75 for the Yankees. Tommy Pham for the Tampa Bay Rays out of 75. Gurriel Jr. for the Toronto Blue Jays. Rowdy Tellez for the Toronto Blue Jays out of 50. Silver signing, gold parallel for Ahmed Rosario and the Mets. Jacob Nix for the San Diego Padres. And the last hit goes out to Kevin Newman and the Pittsburgh Pirates out of 200. Alright guys, I want to thank everyone for joining me for PYT number 2. This is YT here, signing off.